Welcome to all of you in Gurmantra Academy, and I'm your educator Saranya. And today it's going to be your practice session, recombinant DNA technology का practice session करने वाले हैं हम. So grab in your notebooks, pencil या फिर pen ले लीजिएगा. So whenever we are seeing each question, you can mark your answers. Discuss भी करेंगे हम answer, then you can actually mark yourself. So the rules are very simple. Correct answer है, then you will give yourself 2 marks. गलत है, then you'll give yourself -1. Then you will tally. Okay, आप उसको tally कर लीजिएगा जो भी आपका marks है. You can actually post that in the group. Okay, you can actually post that in your Telegram group. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First question. Okay, so the correct answer for this question, Bolivar and Rodriguez constructed which vector? It is your PBR vector. Okay, you will find out the full form of PBR. This is your again your homework question. PBR का full form क्या है? आप find out कीजिएगा. Okay, actually इसी में है, classmate है ये Bolivar Rodriguez. Okay, next question. Which of the following properties is not taken into account while looking for a suitable vector? Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option B. Parent organism के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं जाता. Okay, next question. Any DNA molecule that has the ability to replicate in an appropriate host cell to which the desired gene are integrated for cloning is called as. बहुत simple है guys. Simple, 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 simple. सो यूजुअली मैं हर क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 60 सेकेंड्स इसलिए दे रही हूँ ताकि आपके लिए एक प्रैक्टिस रहे जब आप एक एक्चुअली एग्जाम में जाके क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं. डोंट टेक मोर देन 1 मिनट. 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं लेने का. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेक्टर. ओके, इसे हम वेक्टर कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट. Which of the following statement is true? A vector should have an origin of replication. A vector should have selectable marker. A vector should have unique restriction sites. Option D, all of these. वेक्टर्स के पास क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होनी चाहिए एक बार रिकॉल कर लीजिएगा. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is all the above. Next question. Expression vector differ from a cloning vector in having what? 10 seconds more, guys. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is the control elements. That is your promoter. Promoter क्लोनिंग वेक्टर के लिए जरूरत नहीं है, बट फॉर एक्सप्रेशन वेक्टर के लिए जीन को एक्सप्रेस करना होता है. सो दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्वेंटी सेकेंड्स मोर गाइस. आराम से क्वेश्चन को पढ़िएगा and look for the answer. Extra chromosomal double stranded circular DNA molecule present in bacteria which is widely used as a vector is called as what? So the correct answer is plasmid. Okay, next question. 'Vectors designed to replicate in cells of two different species are called as what? एक वेक्टर जो कि दो डिफरेंट स्पीशीज में रेप्लिकेट कर सकता है, दो डिफरेंट स्पीशीज को होस्ट मानकर काम कर सकता है. सो व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड एज? So the correct answer for this question is shuttle vectors. ऐसे टाइप ऑफ वेक्टर्स जो कि दो डिफरेंट स्पीशीज में भी रेप्लिकेट कर सकते हैं उसे हम शटल वेक्टर्स कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Autonomously replicating sequence ARS is a characteristic feature of what kind of vectors? Twenty seconds more, guys. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is east vector. East में ARS is like your origin of replication. Okay, next question. 10 more seconds. Okay, so the correct answer for this question, the vectors commonly used for sequencing human genome is your YAP, or is the artificial chromosome. Next question. TI plasmid that is used in as a plant vector is obtained from where? TI कहाँ से लिया जाता है? Thirty seconds. So the correct answer for this question is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. And you know about the Agrobacterium rhizogenes? ये क्या करता है? This will produce what kind of thing? Hairy root culture. ठीक है? Next question. Bacteria protect themselves from viruses by fragmenting viral DNA with what? Thirty seconds more, guys. Ten seconds. So the correct answer for this question is endonucleases. Endonucleases कट करते हैं बीच बीच के में DNA के बीच में. Clinofragment is derived from what? The correct answer for this question is DNA polymerase 1. Next question. Which is a genetically modified crop in these? BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice, or all? Okay, so the correct answer is all. सारे की सारी genetically modified हैं. Which enzyme is used to join together two different types of DNA molecule? बहुत easy है ना. 1 minute तो आपके लिए definitely नहीं चाहिए. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Answer is very very simple. It's ligase. Next question. Which of the following statements are true regarding recombinant DNA technology? rDNA technology is used to obtain large number of copies of specific DNA fragment. Recombinant DNA technology is used to obtain large quantities of a protein produced by the concerned gene. Recombinant DNA technology is used to integrate gene of interest into chromosome where it expresses itself. D, all the above. सोचिए. The correct answer for this question is सब के सब correct है. Okay. Place the following 5 steps of ELISA in the correct order. First, add sample serum to each well. Okay. Second, enzyme substrate is added to each well. 3, anti-antibodies with enzymes, that is your secondary antibodies, are added to each well. Each well is coated with antigen molecules. Then excess antigen is washed and gelatin is used to coat any surface not coated with antigen. अभी अभी हम एलाइसा पढ़ रहे थे. ओके, लास्ट क्लास में आई गेस. सो देखिएगा. व्हाट इज यू शुड नो, यू शुड बी एबल टू आंसर दिस करेक्टली. पक्का करेक्टली. Ten seconds more. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option B. Okay. Next question. The first human protein produced through recombinant DNA technology is what? Ten seconds, guys. So the correct answer is insulin. Insulin was the first human protein जो कि recombinant DNA technology के through produce किया गया था. Next question. Which of the following is used to confirm the presence of HIV infection in individuals who are positive, antibody positive by ELISA? Confirmatory test किसमें करते हैं? ELISA is primary test. Confirmatory is done in which method? The correct answer is Western blot. Okay, Western blot is the confirm test. Next question. The direct ELISA test requires 10 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A. Known antibody पता होना चाहिए. Next question. In the indirect ELISA test, the development of color means the patient has the antibody being tested for. Is it true or false? True or false question usually गेट में नहीं पूछा जाता है. I know, but इस क्वेश्चन का अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई वांटेड टू नो कि क्या आप समझ पाए हैं इनडायरेक्ट एलाइजा. तो इट्स ओके इफ यू कैन आंसर ट्रू और फॉल्स इज गुड. आपकी समझ जरूरत है, इसीलिए आई जस्ट गेव यू दिस क्वेश्चन. इट्स ओके एक्चुअली. Seven seconds. The correct answer for this question is true. It's true. Next question. Which of the following does not act as a restriction enzyme? इसमें से EcoR1, BAMH1, HIND3(1), polydeoxyribonucleotide synthase. इजी क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि आपको इसमें से कौन से रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम्स है ये तो पता ही है, हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. So the correct answer for this question is D. Next question. Which of the following enzyme is responsible for making DNA copy from RNA? RNA से DNA बनाने में कौन सा एंजाइम यूज होता है? Thirty seconds, guys. Five seconds, guys. So the correct answer for this question is reverse transcriptase. Okay. Next question. To make the recombinant plasmid permeable to DNA molecules, which chemicals are added? ये भी अभी हमने पढ़ा है. Ten more seconds. So the correct answer for this question is calcium chloride. वो permeability increase करता है ताकि आपका recombinant plasmid easily penetrate कर सके. Next question. Which of the following statement is false? The cells which take up recombinant plasmids are drug resistant. The cells with no recombinant plasmids are drug resistance. Plasmid replication is independent of cells division. The cells containing recombinant plasmid are called transformed cells. इसमें से गलत स्टेटमेंट आपको निकालना है. Fifteen seconds. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Recombinant plasmid contains a drug resistant gene. Okay. Next question. The extrachromosomal self-replicating closed double-stranded and circular DNA molecule is generally termed as. It's actually termed as plasmid. ये क्वेश्चन हमने इससे पहले भी देखा था, but उसका थोड़ा वर्डिंग्स अलग था, right? Okay, next question. In which stage of genetic engineering a probe is used? स्क्रीनिंग में यूज किया जाता है प्रोब्स. ओके, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन टेक्निक में स्क्रीनिंग में यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ten seconds. The correct answer for this question is option D. DNA library is a collection of DNA fragments. It represents the entire DNA of an organism. Next question. Which of the following temperature best suits the growth and multiplication of the transformed cell? इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मैं आपको आंसर इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि these are some of the questions which we haven't discussed, but I have purposely brought these questions. जो टॉपिक्स मैं आपको इन डिटेल में नहीं बता पाती हूँ वो मैं क्वेश्चंस के थ्रू आपके पास लेके आ जाऊंगी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. सम वे और दी अदर आपको पूरा का पूरा टॉपिक्स फिंगर टिप्स में लेके आना ही मेरा काम है. कुछ चीजें बस जस्ट अ सेंटेंस में अगर आपको बताऊंगी तो आपको याद नहीं रहेगा, बट इफ आई मेक इट इनटू अ क्वेश्चन देन यू विल रिमेंबर इट. ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Recombinant DNA molecule is produced by ligating. Twenty-five seconds. Ten seconds. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A. दो मॉलिक्यूल्स की जरूरत होती है लिगेशन के लिए. एक है आपका रिकॉम्बिनेंट मतलब प्लास्मिड डीएनए एंड योर जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो यू नीड टू अरेंज द स्टेप्स ऑफ क्लोनिंग. अरेंज इट. 30 seconds. Isolation of desired DNA, insertion of isolated gene to the vector, introduction of the recombinant vector to the host, expression of recombinant gene in the host, then extraction of recombinant gene product. 10 seconds. You just have to arrange it. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A. Isolation of desired gene, insertion into the vector, then you will have a recombinant vector, you will put inside the host, expression of the product and extraction of the product. That's it guys, आपका टेस्ट खत्म हो चुका है. आप क्या करेंगे? You will add your score. स्कोर कीजिए और मुझे बताइए. ग्रुप में आप डालना चाहेंगे तो भी आप डाल सकते हैं इन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, और मुझे पर्सनली बताना चाहते हैं तो टेलीग्राम में आप बता सकते हैं. बट इट्स गुड दैट यू कैन कीप मी इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट योर स्कोर्स, ताकि मुझे भी पता चले कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन किस तरीके से चल रही है, सो दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो मोटिवेट यू गाइस. So that is it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys.